How to fix Roblox not launching. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to fix Roblox when it's not launching. So without further ado, let us begin. So the first thing that you can do is to uninstall and reinstall Roblox. So to uninstall Roblox, what you want to do is just go to the start button right here and then just go to settings. And then after that, what you want to do is just go to apps and then go to installed apps. And then after that, what you want to do now is just to search up for Roblox. And then once you found Roblox, just go to the three buttons or three dots right here and then just click on uninstall. And then after that, you can now reinstall Roblox just by going to their website and then just by playing a game, and then you will receive an installer from there. Another thing that you can do is go to the search bar right here and then just search up for command prompt and CMD, and then after that just click on open, and then after that just type in this following commands. So the first command will be cd space app data / local. So I'll just paste that there. Again, the command is cd space app data / local. After that, I'll just click on enter. Next command will be rmdir space /s space Roblox. So I'll just copy that, go back to command prompt, and then just paste the command. Again, the command is rmdir space /s space Roblox. So basically what this does, this will just delete your Roblox folder. So I'll just click on enter, and then it will ask you are you sure? So just type in Y, which is yes if you are sure. And then after that, what you want to do now is just go back to the Roblox website and then just play a game again, and then you will receive an installer to reinstall Roblox. And if that doesn't work as well, what you can do is just search up for the Microsoft Store in the search bar right here, and then open it up and then just search up for Roblox right here, and then you will find the game. So what you can do is to just install the game right here via the Microsoft Store. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to fix Roblox when it's not launching.